blanket monster. What are you doing? I'm trying to get ready for work. I'm almost late. And you're just gonna be up here be all cute? Is that what you think you're doing? She saw the other cat. I'm so sorry, Link. I know she bothers you. All right, guys, on my way into my office on my first day back at work. Yeah. You didn't get very far, did you, buddy? There you go. You guys, I am so tired. I'm so tired. This is gonna be the shortest vlog I think I've made because I have done nothing but work this week. It's Wednesday night at like 7 something, 7:30. I just got home. I had to do some grocery shopping afterward. I got my little baby who missed me. She didn't really miss me. I don't know. Maybe she did miss me. She can't talk. It's exhausting, and I'm so much less productive because people just talk to me or I walk around and then I get like distracted doing stuff. Even though it's work, it's just not like what I'm actually supposed to be doing, and I don't like it. I don't hate it. I don't have the stress level about getting COVID that I thought I did, although I found some disturbing news today that 9 people in the department that is 4 feet away from where I'm working now were all out with COVID at the same time a couple weeks ago. So somebody brought it in and infected everyone. That's not great. I don't like that. I don't like hearing that. But I wear my mask, I stay to myself, I stay in my little hole of a room. It's literally the garbage room. It's where we put all the tech to be recycled, and it's literally just full of garbage. And I love it because nobody knows I'm in there and bothers me. I'm Oscar the Grouch, and I am living my best life now. At least as good as possible, actually being back to work. So I cannot wait for this week to be over. I cannot wait for next week where I will be working from home and not feeling like I'm being pulled in a million different directions. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm so tired. And the reading. What reading? What reading? I have done 0 reading this week. I started the gradual. I don't even know how far into it I am. I'm a few chapters at least that I got into last week. It's slow to get into, but I'm not holding that against it. I don't think it's gonna stay slow, but it's not a bad slow. It's an interesting slow. So far I'm okay with it. I'm neutral. I'm neutral on it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I don't really have any feelings about it. I have not started Neil Gaiman's The Ocean at the End of the Lane, even though it's an audiobook, and you would think I would easily be able to get through that while working. But no, I can't. Working from home, I can listen to audiobooks, but working at work, even in a closet of garbage, I can't. I don't know. And I'm not gonna bring my gigantic Three Musketeers book to work. That's not gonna happen. That's a slow, long read anyway. I honestly expect that to take months, so I'm not concerned about that. But oh my gosh, just so tired. I'm getting up so much earlier to drive to work, to then spend more time at work than I would spend at work here at home, and then drive home, and I don't have any energy. It's not that I hate work, it's honestly I'm just tired and I don't feel productive, and that bothers me. What else? I got some new face cream. I googled it and I was like, hey, what's a good face cream for this particular thing I want to have face cream for? And it's a brand I've never heard of, with a product in it I've never heard of. I just realized that my teddy bear is in frame. This is Niffy. I've had him since I was maybe like 10. Yeah. And if it was light, you could see there's one long white string coming out of his chin that looks like an old man hair, and I love it. Also, he only has one eye because I had a migraine as a preteen, and my only outlet to the pain was to take him and slam him against the wall repeatedly. I don't have an explanation for my actions. But he lost an eye in the incident, and I've spent the rest of my life trying to make it up to him. So I got this face cream. It's by Feria, F-E with an accent, R-I-A, Feria, and it's apple stem cell. We'll see. The Google said it was good, so the Google knows. The Google knows all. The Google knows too much. And now the Google knows I bought this face cream, so I'm gonna start using it. I think I want to use it as like my night cream, but I'm probably gonna try to finish my current night cream first, so but I'm gonna try it out. I don't know. Maybe tonight, maybe not. But when I do, I'll let you guys know what I think of it. And I'm gonna try desperately to get some reading in, and I want to vlog a little bit more, but like my life is really uninteresting this week. I get up in exactly enough time to get my stuff done to get out the door, and I was late a little this morning. I washed my face, put on my face cream for the day, put on clothes, obviously, because that's a requirement at work, is clothing. Feed the cats, wait for them to throw up so I can clean that up, feed them again, brush my teeth, make oatmeal, put my pills together for the day, take them, eat the oatmeal, which I forgot yesterday. I made it and then left it on the counter, make my coffee, and get out the door. And if I don't have any missteps, I can get it done in a half an hour. And it takes me, if I get out the door in time, I can get to work in exactly half an hour. But man, do I like to cut it close. So this is really hard to hold this up. My arm is killing me. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's it. That's all I got. I have no information. I have nothing interesting to say. I have no reading updates. I have no vlog updates other than I am just tired. I'm tired. I will maybe try to film my garbage office tomorrow. I don't have any HIPAA or PHI or PII anywhere in there. It's literally monitors, a laptop, which I will have obviously locked and turned off. But yeah, I mean, it's not interesting, but I don't know. Maybe if you're interested in the uninteresting, then this is this is the channel for you. Okay, that's it. I gotta eat or sleep. And I will do them, but I'm not sure in what order. So, say goodbye, Niffy. Look at his little eyeball. Aww. Okay, bye. So, I'm sitting out here at night because I lost my cat. He apparently burst through the window screen. I have no idea how long he's been gone. I've been all over the neighborhood shaking treats, calling his name. He's a very fearful cat, so he does not even let me pick him up. I can't grab him, so I don't think he'll come to me. And I'm just trying to set up something so he'll wander back. Hope for the best for tonight. This is where he decided to break through. He must have been going after something hard to go through that. I look a wreck, and that's because I am. I barely slept last night. I kept waking up like every 15 minutes or so. No cat yet. I saw him on the Ring camera. He ran past it a couple of times, and I even opened the side door, and he was in the middle of running past. But he's so fearful, he didn't stop, he didn't come up to me. And after another like hour of sitting up in the dark, I decided to go back to bed. We had left a window open in the basement, hoping he would come in, but he didn't. So now we're gonna try a window in the basement and the window that he jumped out of originally on the first floor. I just ripped a huge hole in the screen so that he can easily get through if he wants to. I put a little tree stump there so he can stand on it and look in the window and gauge his jump. I'm afraid that because the jump is a little weird, there's a piece of furniture kind of in front of the window, but it's really short. But it's taller than the windowsill by a couple inches, so I don't know. I'm trying to give him every easy way to get in. I can't leave the front and side doors open all night. You know, I've got another cat and a dog in the house, so I'm hoping he's tired enough, scared enough, thirsty enough, and hungry enough to come home. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit, see if I can call him. Like I said, I know he won't come to me, but at least sort of signal to him maybe it's time for him to try and do it again, try and get home. I'll give you guys an update. Well. That is not my cat, but I am 99% sure that cat is the reason my cat is missing.
He torments my cats at that exact front window. He's the reason there was an initial tear in the window screen, because from the outside one night he jumped onto it and attacked one of my cats through the window screen, drew blood, and as he fell back down he tore a huge hole through it. And I am sure he came up to the window the other day and taunted my cat, who just lost his mind and barreled through the screen where that hole was. Like, mind your own business. Yeah, you. Where's my cat?
Buddy. Oh, honey, it's okay. It's all right. He just walked in. I shut the door. He's back home. He's very spooked, clearly, but